To move the shelves, you must switch off all the red flashing lights in the section of shelving you want to move. On either side of a section is a shelf that doesn't move. These have no lights on them. The moving shelves are the ones with the lights on them. You must switch off all the flashing lights on the moving shelves in the section you want to move. Just press the buttons to switch off the lights. Once that's done, check in between the shelves to make sure there's no one in there. Then press the arrow to move the shelf. You can move more than one shelf at a time if you need to. If someone moves the shelves while you're in them, you can stop the shelves by placing your foot against the bottom of the unit. You can also stop the shelves by pressing one of the red buttons. In an emergency, you can press these emergency shut-off buttons to turn the shelves off completely.